Common mistakes you should avoid in drafting your business plan. Business plans can make or break your way through success. With this, let's make sure it paves the way for your growth. Here are things you must avoid in writing a business plan. The plan is poorly written. Spelling, punctuation, grammar and style are all important when it comes to getting your business plan down on paper. Although investors don't expect to be investing in a company run by English majors, they are looking for clues about the underlying business and its leaders when they are pursuing a plan. The plan is incomplete. Every business has customers, products and services, operations, marketing and sales, a management team, and competitors. At an absolute minimum, your plan must cover all these areas. A complete plan should also include a discussion of the industry, particularly industry trends, such as if the market is growing or shrinking. The plan is too vague. A business plan is not a novel, a poem or a cryptogram. If a reasonably intelligent person with a high school education can't understand your plan, then you need to rewrite it. The plan is too detailed. Do not get bogged down in technical details. This is especially common with technology-based startups. Keep the technical details to a minimum in the main plan, if you want to include them. Do so elsewhere, say, in an appendix. One way to do this is to break your plan into 3 parts, a 2 to 3 page executive summary, a 10 to 20 page business plan and an appendix that includes as many pages as needed to make it clear that you know what you're doing. Want to have a comprehensive guide and tutorial on how to write a business plan? Say no more. We are inviting you to our virtual event, where our talented and seasoned researchers and writers share their industry tips and tricks on how you can avoid these mistakes. To know more about us, contact us here.